Putting a little apple juice or apple cider. To help the seasoning stick, and apple vinegar, not cider, my bad. Helps wake up the pork a little. I only do this on pork. Start with Sazón. Make sure we get all 4 sides. We're not going to show you all that though. Black chipotle cherry for our little spice. Would like to say, if we get to 100 subscribers, the camera guy, my son Dominic, will do a face reveal. Cherry rub, cherry cola. So help us get there, so he has to reveal his face. We also are coming up on our 1-year anniversary of starting this. We will recreate the first video we did, the Al Pastor, minus 10 minutes of cutting wood. Alright, we're going to get the rest of the sides seasoned up and we will see you back. Alright, we're going to get these ribs on. Don't mind the mower in the background. Bigger sides to the back. Whoa. They're in. We will check back in a little bit. We're throwing in some cherry wood. Quick temp check. It's like about 156, 147, 158. We're shooting for 170, 175. So we are going to spritz apple juice. Keep going. We will check in a little bit. Alright, I got 2 chicken breasts that I'm putting on now. Seasoned with Old Bay and lemon pepper. Those are going on. These are still going good. So we will update soon. Now I'm putting on some Thai barbecue. Just a light coat. And then we'll let the chicken finish cooking and we'll be done.
Is it ballin' or is it fallin'?
Balling.